Heating and cooling systems today are efficient and reliable, and with a bit of regular maintenance, they'll keep you and your family comfy for years to come. Replacing your furnace filter is easy and important. The filter keeps your furnace running efficiently while also removing dust particles from the air before it enters your home, allowing for proper airflow and a lot less dusting. Before you start, turn off the electrical supply to your furnace. The shutoff switch can be found near the unit. Next, slide open the hatch and carefully pull out the filter. Take note of the airflow arrows on the dirty filter as you pull it out. Insert your new filter, being mindful of the previous flow direction, and close the hatch all the way. Turn the electrical supply back on and you're done. We recommend changing your furnace filter every 3 months. For more home care and maintenance tips, visit us online.